Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Myself Mona Salokar. Let's start our next chapter, that is the 5th chapter, expansion formula. Which chapter? Expansion formula. Now you have already studied some formulas of expansion in 7th and 6th standard. Now see here which are the important formulas. First formula is a plus b square. What is the a plus b whole square? What is the formula? A square plus twice ab plus b square. Now let's see one of the example. Now see here, if x plus 3 square, what you have to find out? X plus 3 square. Now what is a here? A is x. And what is b? B is 3. Now see here, what is the formula? A square plus twice ab plus b square. Now a square means, what is first? A is x. So x square plus 2 into what is a? A is x. What is b? B is 3 and b square means 3 square. X is a and 3 is b. So you have to put only values. Now see here what you get then? X square plus 2 3s are 6x and 3 square is 9. Now if 2x plus 3y square is given, then it is 2x means it is your a and 3y is your b. So what you get here? 2x square means 2x square. A square means 2x square. Then 2 into what is AB? A means 2x, B means 3y. And plus B square. What is your B? 3y. So you have to take here 3y square. And then open the bracket. Now 2x square means 4. 2 square 4 and x square x square. Now here 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. And what is the variable here? X and y. You have to multiply numerical first and then the variables. Now 3y square means you have to make a square of 3 and also y, that is y square. Now let's see the second formula. What is the second formula? A minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square means a square minus twice ab plus b square. Here only the sign of minus is there. If minus is there, sign is minus. Now here 2x minus 5s, what is a here? 2x is a and what is b? 5 is b. Now what is the formula? A square. A square means 2x square. Always you have to write down if the variables and numerical are both in the it is the first term. Then you have to give it a bracket. Here give the brackets and then write down the square. 2x square minus, what is the second step? 2ab minus 2ab. Now what is a here? 2x. And what is b? 5. And last, here always plus sign is there. B square means 5 square. Now open the brackets. 2x square means 2 square is 4. X square is x square. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. You have to do the multiplications of numbers and write down variable as it is. And there here 5 square means 25. So what is your answer? 4x square minus 20x plus 25. 2x is a and b is 5. Now let's see the next formula, that is a square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b, a minus b. Now see here, if x plus 7 and x minus 7 is given, one bracket is plus, one is minus. The numbers and variables are same. Here also x and here also 7. So what you get here? What is the formula? A square minus b square. What is a here? X and b is 7. So a square means x square. B square means 7 square. So what you get? X square minus 49. You have already studied all these problems in 6th and 7th standard. So do the practice of all these problems. Now see here, in the 8th standard, we will see the next formula, expanded formula, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to, what is the formula? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. What is the answer? X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now see here, if example is given, x plus 5 into x plus 3. Now see here, x plus 5 into x plus 3. Here what is a? A is 5. What is b? B is 3. Now use the formula. Always you have to use the formula. Here write down by using formula. Then what you get here? X square. X square means first term square. Here first term is x, means x square. What is a? 5. What is b? 3 into x. And what is a into b means 5 into So what you get here? X square 5 plus 3, 8x, and 5 3s are 15. Means what you get? X plus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 15. Now let's see the second problem. P minus 7, P plus 4. Here first always you have to write down by using formula. Which formula we use? X plus A, x plus b is equal to what is formula? X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now see here, what is a, x here? P. What is a? 7. X is p. What is b? 4. Now put the values. P, a is minus 7. B is 4. Now x square means p square. Here p is there. So x square means p square plus. What is a? A is minus 7. You have to take with the sign. Here minus 7. And what is b? B is 4. And what is x? X means p. So you have to write down here p. And a into b means minus 7 into 4. Write down the numbers with the sign. Now see here what you get. P minus 7, p plus 4 is equal to p square. Minus 7 plus 4, minus plus minus, sign of greater number. So minus 7 plus 4, minus 3p. And here minus 7 into minus 4, minus 28. So what is your answer? P minus 7, p plus 4 is equal to p square minus 3p minus 28. Now let's see the next problem. Third, y minus 4, y minus 7. Now here also you have to write down by using formula. By using formula. Which formula? X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square, a plus b into x plus a into b. Now see here, what is a, x here? Y. Here 4 is a. Here x. And here it is b. Now see here, x means y minus 4, y minus 7 is equal to x square means y square. Plus a means minus 4. Take minus 4. And b means minus 7 into y. X means y. Now a into b means minus 4 into minus 7. Minus 4 into minus 7. Now open the brackets and find out answer. Here y square minus 4 minus 7 minus minus plus, but sign of greater number. So minus 4 minus 7 minus 11y. And here minus minus, in multiplication minus minus plus. So 4 7s are 28. So what is your answer? 11y plus 28. So students, write down all these problems and formulas in your copy. And also you have to solve this, that is given in your textbook. Use the above formulas and fill the proper terms in. It is your homework. Write down all this in the next period. We will take the first exercise. So students, I hope you understood all these problems and formulas. Do the practice of all these formulas. We have already studied in 7. Do the practice of problems of 7, and then it is your new formula. Also do the practice of this. In the next period we will meet again. Thank you and have a nice day.